Hey kids, Goodly Grandpa here. My Bee Hives came in the mail. So I'm very excited about them. There's only one issue, and that is that some assembly is required. So I ordered 2 Bee Hives. As I said, they came disassembled, so I've got to assemble all of the boxes here. These are the boxes. Each set of hives has one it's called a brooder, and then 2 supers that go on top of each beehive. So I've got to assemble those boxes, and then within each of these there's frames where the beehives build out their comb. So I've got this box over here which is full of all the frames that need to be assembled. So we have this comb here. This is a wax-coated comb that will go inside of each frame that needs to be built. So I've got a whole bunch of frames. Each frame has a top, a bottom, and 2 of these sides that need to get put together with the comb inside of it. So I've got 10, 20, 30, I got 40 of those that need to be built. So let's get started.
And Rolly too, Lofty and Wendy joined the crew. Bob and the gang had so much fun. Working together, we get the job done. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Time to get busy, such a lot to do. Building and fixing till it's good as new. Bob and the gang make a really good sound. Working all day till the sun goes down. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Tackle any situation. Look out, here we come. Yes, yes, yes. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Building and mixing, we have so much fun. Working together to get the job done. Can we dig it? Yes. Can we build it? Yes. can we fix it? Yes. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Yes. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. We better get some work done.
Bob the Builder, can he fix it? Bob the Builder, yes he can. Bob the Builder, can he fix it? Bob the Builder.
Yes, he can. Bob the Builder, can he fix it? Bob the Builder, yes, he can.
Brad the Builder, he
See if you can get that song out of your head this
Brad the Builder, yes he can. Should be Brad the Builder.
week. It's Bob the Builder.
We need to change that.
Bob the Builder, can he fix it? Bob the Builder, yes, he can. Bob the Builder, can he fix it? Bob the Builder, yes, he can!